Hello guys, welcome back to another scratch tutorial on how to make a Bomberman game, and this is part 2 of the series. So this is where we left off in part 1. So the cat can move around using the WASD keys or the arrow keys, and then space to lay a bomb, and when it explodes, that happens. Let's try again. Okay, so in today's video, I will show you how to make the enemies move and die when they hit the bomb, or the game over when they catch the player. And then we will set rotation style to don't rotate. And then you'll put in a wait 1 second block. And forever, you will point in direction, pick random, 0 to 360, and then you will repeat, pick random, 40, 30 to 50, and then if on edge bounce, and then we will move 5 steps, and then we'll wait another second, and let's try that. Okay, so it's moving. Okay, pretty good. So let's reduce it to 20, I think. Okay, so now we'll detect if it is touching the explosions. So one green flag clicked. Then a forever block. If the red cat is touching the explosion or the second explosion and another or explosion 3, then we will simply hide. That's good. Let's test that. Then if I set a bomb, didn't hit it. Okay, it hides. So that is great. Now we got to put in. Wait. Now we'll just duplicate all of these to the other cats. So put it all in there. Make sure both of the scripts are in there. Okay. Okay, so in the second red cat, we will put the position to 150. Cat 4, we'll put in x0, y150. And in the other cat, we'll put in 0, y negative 150. Let's test that, and, oh wait. Oh, it's hide. We got to show it. So to do that, I'll just show it. Show right there. Okay, so this is pretty decent. All we have to do is detect the cat if it's touching the red cat, and we'll stop the game. So if you'll put in like 3 ores, I think. And then we put in a touching. Cat 2 or 3 or cat 4 and cat 5. Okay, and then we will stop all like that. Okay, so let's test it. We can move around, place a bomb, and then these guys die. And this is a pretty decent game to play with your friends. So thank you for watching. Please leave a like, comment, share and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.